day to our future criminologists who will take the board examination tomorrow. They say that the real graduation is the board examination, and this is a gateway for you to practice your future profession. So on behalf of the Professional Criminologists Association of the Philippines, headed by Dr. Jerry J. Canyo, I wish you good luck on your examination tomorrow, and I hope that I will see you in the oath taking for our criminologists this coming months. So good luck and God bless everyone.
Advance congratulations sa inyong lahat na criminology licensure examination takers mula August 1 to up to 3. Ngayon pa lamang ay binabati ko na kayo sapagkat lahat ng inyong pag-review, sacrifices, investment, hindi lang kayo kundi yung mga taong naniniwala sa inyo, pati yung mga instructors, yung school ninyo at pinagmulan, ay ito'y collective effort for who you are right now. Nawasa yung pag-take mula sa August 1 ay bigyan ka ng Panginoong Diyos ng katalinuhan, ng comprehension, and the ability para ma-identify mo yung best answer sa mga choices mo. Tandaan nyo lang na bukod sa inyong preparasyon, meron tayong Diyos na dapat paniwalaan, pagtiwalaan, at patuloy na panalanginan upang sa gayon guided ang lahat ng mga gagawin ninyo. I welcome you all sa mundo ng criminology at ng mga criminologists, and see you sa oath-taking ninyo. Thank you very much. To God be the glory.
Good luck to all the takers of the August 2025 Board Licensure Examination for Criminologists. Top the board exam.
Hey everyone, you might know me on TikTok and YouTube as DC Speaks, and I would like to congratulate you in advance dahil soon magiging registered criminologist na kayo. Good luck tomorrow, and sa mga susunod na araw, kayang-kaya nyo yan.
Hello, future criminologists. Malapit na yung board exam, and I know pinaghandaan nyo to. Alam ko rin na pinagpaguran nyo to. At for sure, samahan nyo lang ng konti pang dasal at effort, makukuha nyo yung lisensya na yan. I wish you all the best. Pagdadasal ko kayo, and I hope to see you soon in our noble profession.
Good day everyone, this is Dr. Mark John Empangan from Holy Cross College, Pampanga. At lubos kong binibigay ang saludo sa lahat ng mga magte-take ng board examination for criminology or the criminologist licensure examination na mag-uumpisa bukas, Biyernes hanggang Linggo, buong Pilipinas. Good luck sa inyong lahat, especially lahat ng mga criminology graduates dito sa province of Pampanga. Alam ko na pinaghandahan ninyo ang inyong licensure examination at karapat-dapat na kayo ay pumasa. We wish you all the best and claim it that you are a registered criminologist in few months to come. Good luck and God bless.
Hello, future criminologists! Excited na ba kayo sa exams nyo? So I'm sure a lot of you know, nervous na yan. Yan yung kalaban natin. So don't be nervous. Trust in yourself and trust God. Yun yung pinaka-key points na lang ngayon. Sa last day nyo, all you have to do is relax, sleep. Huwag na kayong magka-cram. Wala nang cramming ngayon. You're prepared. Wala namang ready for any exams. No? You cannot say you're 100% ready. Pero you have to be kasi wala na kayong choice. So, huwag nyong kakalimutan. Confidence, that you are fully prepared. Trust and believe in yourself, and then leave everything to God. Mamaya magdasal kayo sa exam nyo bukas. You leave everything to Him para walang kaba, walang nervyos. You just tell yourself, I did my best, I studied, I prepared myself for this, and I entrust everything to God. Enjoy these moments kasi ngayon nyo lang ma-experience ito kasi first and last take nyo na, di ba? So, congratulations to all of you, mga fellow future criminologists nasa profession, and I'm very excited to work with you for a better Philippines.